Hi, Shermaine here from Natural Baby Shower. Today we'd like to show you the Toniebox, which is an interactive storytelling box for children of all ages. The box, as you can see it here, is very robust and made from sustainably sourced fabrics. How it works is you take your little character, which is loaded with lullabies or nursery rhymes or stories, and place them on top of the Toniebox and wait for your story to begin. The little ears here act as volume to turn up and to turn down. Again, incredibly easy for children of all ages. There are many different accessories you can buy, such as a carry case for your little Tonies. And again, you can see here we have a selection of just some classic stories. You've got the Cars from Walt Disney. We have the Snowman, everyone's favourite, especially mine from childhood, and Pinocchio. The boxes themselves are available in many different colours. There's also a headphone jack, so little one can plug in their little headphones as well, which is quite a nice idea. So a wonderful gift for Christmas and a perfect start to any collection. We hope you like this video. For more information, just log on to our website. Thank you very much.